I smashed one of our beautiful Burleigh mugs, and I can't tell you how devastated I am because of it. Well, on the other hand, things like that just happen. Hello.
Hello, and welcome back to our channel.
And for those of you who've just joined us, it's great to have you here.
Yeah.
And well, we just showed you the broken mug, and because of that, we just came back to the Middleport factory in Stoke-on-Trent
To get a new one.
Because Burleigh is the pottery that we use on a daily basis, and the black and white one is, you probably don't know it,
No, I don't know.
called Black Regal Peacock, and the other one we have is called Pink and Blue Asiatic Pheasants. Yeah, and that's just the one we have on a daily basis, and we started collecting that china last year, but yeah, there's still a lot of it missing.
Oh yes, it is.
Yeah, and then, you know, what we do is we buy seconds, so they might have faults,
Yeah.
which is fine.
But we don't care because we use it every day.
Yeah, and yeah, we just buy, like during the year, we keep on buying to add to the collection, and that's what we do now. And we hope we can find a new mug. Yeah, because we have the saucer, and we just need the mug, and then, yeah.
I'm 100% sure we will find the right one.
Yeah, I'm sure. The shop is beautiful, and yeah, we have a beautiful day, so come and join us.
Yeah. We've got your mug.
Yes, this is what we need. You see, this is a very unique card framer.
Yeah.
It's like an Asian style. £87. It's not cheap, but it's beautiful. It's really pretty. do you want to get like that one or that one?
I can't tell. I will take this one.
Yeah, I think so too. Let's get that one.
Yep. This one?
So this is for your office, right?
Yes. Looks nice.
I think I would get that one.
Yeah.
The slightly bigger one.
Yep.
Yeah?
Yes. I guess cold.
How much is it, yeah?
32 pounds. It's beautiful.
Yeah. It definitely is. But for the office?
Yeah, because
That's really, really...
I've always got an apple and a banana. And I always put them into a bowl.
Really elegant for the office.
Yes.
This is so beautiful. Did you see it, Jörg? Jörg? It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Oh, it's beautiful.
So see, they had your mug.
Our mug.
Yeah.
And we got some additional plates for the, is it, I always get confused with the names, for the blue and pink Asiatic pheasants.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, we will show you what we have once we're back home.
And now we're going to get some tea.
Yeah, just like last year, we're going to the tea room and then we're heading home.
Yeah.
We're back home and thought we would share what we bought. It's not too much, and that's why what we do is like we buy something every other month so that we can add to our collection.
Yeah, and spread the spend.
Yes. Now, to give you a complete picture, this is the Black Regal Peacock, and I smashed this beautiful mug, but now it's complete again. For Joerg's office, we wanted to get a slightly bigger one, but they didn't have any.
No.
The one they had was huge.
Too big.
And this, you will use this for snacks?
Yes.
Yeah. This is Blue Asiatic Pheasants for cake. We thought we would get that for cake. And as we already have this, well, we collect for everyday use. We have pink and blue. This is for cake or breakfast. We use it for breakfast. And these ones are our first. Can you get those in the middle because of the sun? Yeah, thank you. And these are dinner plates. Next time, we will probably get some pink ones because yeah, we just use pink and blue and really like it. A few weeks ago, we went to Spade for the very first time, which was lovely. And some of you might remember that we bought something for Christmas when we stay here. Something wintry called, I don't
know, I just know the animals on it.
I think it's called Spade Woodland. Yes, that's what it is. And yeah, we thought it would look nice for winter.
Yeah, and then Kirsten had another idea.
Yeah, I ordered some fabric to have a tablecloth made, and we thought, well, we haven't really opened the fabric yet, but we wanted to show you, and it will be the first time for us as well to get the whole look, basically. This is the fabric it's from Ian Manking, called Avon Jack Cream. Okay, I'm going to open it for the first time. And of course, it's not finished yet. We will bring it to a sewing room. Just to get an idea. We both love check. And these are the Spade plates. And it would look like this. What do you reckon, Joerg? Huh?
Looks good.
Come on, closer. It's nice.
Yeah.
You know what? I was a bit disappointed. I would love to get a little bit more of this collection, but they didn't have any. So I will keep on looking on Etsy and the internet just in general. But I think this looks so nice with the chess pattern. It's lovely.
Aww.
And also, I think it goes really, really nicely with this colour.
Good.
Yeah.
If you decorate it in a Christmas way.
Yeah, it's lovely. I really like it.
Mm.
You know, I would love to visit the mill. Ian Manking, they produce in Lancashire. We will link the fabric for you in case you're interested. And yeah, it will look like this. It's lovely. It's really, really, this is, to me, is like perfect for winter.
Yeah.
It's lovely. So this is our dinner that I prepared last night. It's a vegetarian lasagna. I took Mary Berry's lasagna recipe, but it doesn't have mincemeat. We used the brand is called Quorn. It's a very vegetarian mince, and I just added a lot of peas and carrots, so I hope it's good. And gluten-free pasta, of course. So let's have a look how it turned out. I hope it's good. It smells nice, so I think it should be fine. And of course it's a lot of food, so this will last a while. So looks like this, and it's good. I think it's really good. It's dark now, we have heavy rain, and we don't have any internet.
Yeah, it just went down.
Yeah, it just went down. We don't know what's going on, but at least we had a lovely dinner.
Yeah, the lasagna was really tasty.
It was.
Yeah.
We just tried something else. As I said earlier, we just took the Mary Berry, which you call it a basic lasagna recipe.
Yeah, it's a basic lasagna recipe.
Yeah, and well, it takes a bit of time to prepare, and it usually lasts about 2 or 3 days.
Yes.
It's big because most of it was veg.
Yeah.
And it's really nice. We don't do it, to be honest, we don't do it that often.
No.
But we use mincemeat as well.
No, but it was good.
Yeah, it's nice to have it with veg only as well. We can really recommend it.
Yeah.
And hopefully next week we'll be back to normal, and yeah, we can post 2 videos again.
Yeah, what we'll do.
Hopefully, yeah. It can be tricky now that it's going to be November, and weather-wise, you just never know.
Yeah.
And you know what, Jörg? I have to say, I look forward to working at home on our renovation.
Yes.
I really do.
Me too.
Yeah, because we took a bit of a break. But yeah, during the colder season, it's fun to...
Yes, I'm really looking forward to doing some things.
Yes, you know what I haven't told you? I ordered some sample pots for your attic room from Little Green.
Okay, let's see.
Yes, and yeah, we can try that once it's here, and then maybe share with you. So stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
And as always, we'll see you again very soon.
Yeah, and take care.
Take care.
Yeah.
And until next time.
Until bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.